Hi there, my name is Darlan Pucci. My channel is Casa G Pucci. Today I'm gonna prepare a Mettwurst, a German sausage. Looks beautiful. I'm gonna show you step by step. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, over here I have 700 grams of paleta, pork shoulder, and over here I have 300 grams of pork back fat. I'm gonna grind using the 8 millimeters disc or plate. Okay, now I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients. They already mixed well. I'm gonna mix into the meat, garlic, and the fermentation culture. Now I regulate my chamber for the fermentation. Gonna be fermentating for 2 days. Temperature gonna be 75 Fahrenheit. Humidity 90-95%. 2 days. After 48 hours on the fermentation process, that's how they look like. Looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna cold smoke for about 5 hours. Okay, almost 5 hours. The temperature here in Florida now is 58 Fahrenheit. The internal temperature in the smoker is around 70 Fahrenheit. It's ready. I'm gonna keep in the fridge until tomorrow morning, and then I'm gonna try it. I need to buy a fresh bread. Hi there. Mettwurst is my favorite sausage. It's a German sausage. In the south of Germany, is more spreadable, softer, and at north is more dry. And anyways, the best sausage, my favorite. So let's try. After this cold smoke last night, I checked this morning. The sausage was still too soft, so I put it back in the smoker, hot smoke, for a couple hours, temperature around 160 Fahrenheit. Just to dry out a little bit. It's moist, smell good. Mettwurst. I prefer a little softer than that. I think I left today in the hot smoker for too long, but it's awesome. I like to eat that way. Just dig it out, spread in the bread. Try to smear a little bit. Try. My favorite sausage is awesome. And looks beautiful. It's kind of dark amber. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time.